Hello everybody. Now few questions we will take based on the relations and function, means based on the Cartesian product we are going to take. Suppose here is the given A and B and C are the three sets are given. You have to find out the A cross B intersection C and A cross B union A cross C is there only. So first case we are taking. Case first is here. You are supposed to take the B intersection C first. So B intersection C you will take. B intersection C is common element, so only 4 is common is here, so this is your 4. Now you want to write A cross B intersection C. It means A cross B intersection C means first element in the order pair should be from A. पहला एलिमेंट A से होना चाहिए and second element should be B intersection C is there. तो A elements क्या है 1 2 3, so you have to write down is here 1 4 1 2 4 and 3 4. This is your A cross B intersection C here only, this one. Now second part, if you are going to take case second, first of all he is saying you are supposed to take the A cross B. हमें पहले क्या लेना A cross B. So just write down the A cross B. तो A cross B you will write means first element from A, second should be from B. तो क्या आएगा 1 3 1 4, similarly 2 3 2 4 3 3 and 3 4. This is your A cross B. Now you need A cross C also, then you have to take the union is there only. So just write down A cross C. So first element from A, so that is 1 C 4 1 5 1 6, then 2 4 2 5 2 6, then for 3 3 4 3 5 and 3 6. So this is your A cross C. A cross C means first element should be from A and second element should be from C only. अब now you want to take the union of these two ordered pair. अभी तक हम क्या कर रहे थे? We were taking the union of the sets only. Now set है, लेकिन set में element single means ordered pairs are given. This is also the set of the ordered pair है. So now if you want to take the union A cross B union A cross C, तो you are supposed to see first of all, आप पहले इसमें ये देखो कौन कौन सी ऑर्डर पेयर कॉमन है, तो वो वन टाइम आएंगी. देखिए 2 4 is here and see 3 4 is also here, then any other 1 4 is also here, or 1 3 no, 2 3 no, 3 3 no. इट मीन्स ये जो कॉमन है ये वन टाइम एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द यू मस्ट राइट डाउन. सो पहले कॉमन है उनको मैं लिखूं 2 4 देन 3 4, देन राइट डाउन दिस 1 3 2 3 3 3 एंड दिस वाज 1 5 1 6 2 5 2 6 3 5 3 6. So this is your A क्रॉस बी यूनियन ए क्रॉस सी. तो जो कॉमन है वन टाइम यू हैव टू राइट डाउन एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द ऑर्डर पेयर विल आल्सो. सो दिस इज योर ए क्रॉस बी यूनियन ए क्रॉस सी. हैव अ लुक. Okay, now one more problem I am taking. A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. You are supposed to prove it. We are going to generalize. We are not taking A B C as the sets. हम ABC एलिमेंट्स नहीं ले रहे कि A के एलिमेंट ले लिया B के एलिमेंट एंड वी आर गोइंग टू, बिकॉज दिट इज प्रूव दैट यू कैन नॉट टेक द एग्जांपल इज हियर ओनली. सो यू कैन एज्यूम एज इट इज XY is a element, that arbitrary element of which belongs to this one is there, even though it is a order pair is there, but it is working as a element. तो it means क्या हुआ? XY belongs to A cross B union C. It means first element will be from A. X belongs to A and Y belongs to B union C, because first element will be from A, second will be from this one. So here you are getting X belongs to A and you can break Y belongs to B union C. It means Y belongs to B or Y belongs to C. या तो Y B में होगा या C में होगा, that will be in B union C is already we discuss. इसको हम लिख सकते हैं X belongs to A and X belongs to B. this is 1, or x belongs to A and y belongs to C here. तो अगर x A को belong कर रहा है, x B को कर रहा है, it means what? x belongs to A intersection B, because x belongs to A and x belongs to B means x A intersection B, or x belongs to A intersection C. First element is here, second element is here, this is y is here, y. So x belong, this is means you can write down because order here, xy belongs to A cross B. Similarly here is xy belongs to A cross C, because first element from A से है, y from B, तो it will xy will be from A cross B. x A से है, y C से है, तो it means xy belongs to this one. So that is or is there, it means what you are getting, xy belongs to A cross B union A cross C. This one. So what you are getting? Therefore, you can say this is A cross B union C is the subset of A cross B union A cross C. This is the one equation you are getting. क्योंकि if you want to prove this is equal to this one, तो ये हमने already discuss किया था कि if you want to prove the set A is equal to set B, then it means you are supposed to prove A is the subset of B and B is also the subset of A. Then only A will be equal to B. अगर A भी B का subset है, B A का subset है, then A will be equal to. So you are supposed to prove this is the subset of this one. Have a look. Okay, similarly, already I have written here only, I am going to explain. Similarly, you can assume that x, y, v and arbitrary elements of this one, A cross B union A cross C. So simpler, x, y belongs to this one. It means this first element will be in A cross B and y will be in A cross C. If x belongs to A cross B means x is in A and x is in B. Here only x belongs to this one, x belongs to A and x belongs to C. So now you can apply, here is the distributive properties here. Distributive law is there only. So that is x belongs to A and x belongs to B or x belongs to C. So x belongs to B or x belongs to C means x belongs to B union C. और है तो इसका मतलब B में है या C में है तो B union C में होगा. तो x belongs to A and x belongs to B union C. अब x A में है और x B union C में है तो xy क्या होगा? That order pair will be in A cross B union C. So what you are getting? You are getting, it means therefore you can say A cross B union A cross C is the subset of A cross B union C. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन हमारा ये था, सेकंड ये क्या है? A cross B union C is the subset of this one, और ये सबसेट है इसका. तो it means from these two, from equation 1 and 2, you can say they are equal, which you want to prove. Because we want to prove is here only, we cannot take the example. You cannot take the example. You are supposed to जनरलाइज, आपको जनरलाइज ही करना पड़ेगा, एक्स वाई लेना पड़ेगा. ये नहीं कि एबीसी आपने कुछ एलिमेंट्स यू आर टेकिंग एलिमेंट लिया और इसको बराबर कर दिया. नो, in case of the proof that no example, if not proof no example, prove that no example, and proof नहीं है तो no example, you can take this is. So this is, keep in mind, is always this one is there only. To in support of that, in support you can take the example, otherwise you are supposed to generalize in case of the proof. There should be no example, but in support if you want to give later on you can give. Have a look.